is June 2nd, 2023. Here's the trade recap using ICT Concepts, Episode 6. So, no camera today, just because it's like really early and I'm filming this still in the AM session during the market, just because I'm going to be out later for the PM session, and I won't be able to record, so I thought I would get it done sooner rather than later. This is my live, or this is my personal chart, so maybe we could toggle here and like look on the daily as well. Right, this is our shared chart. I don't know where the boxes went, but the weekly projection was it was spot on. I mean, I can try to find the picture of it, but just go back to the previous videos and look at the analysis and the candles and the bodies and how our prediction was like really spot on. So yeah, that's basically that. It's really nice. We're just looking here, right? Bias was was still bullish from yesterday's market structure or break of structure to the upside, and we just barely tap into this hourly fair value gap and then respect it and just like continue upwards. This rally all happened overnight, and I wasn't able to catch this because I was asleep. So I did miss it, or I didn't miss it. It just happened before I woke up, which is fine because I was able to catch a different trade. So I actually caught something on the 1 minute. It was just a quick winning trade. I just took a trade off of this breaker structure here for value gap, entry, things like that. And then I mean from 67 to 49. That's almost like that's a 18. Sorry, 67 to 49. Yeah, it's like an 18 handle run. So really nice. I took majority of my position off on this candle coming down here inside of this value gap, and then knew we were going to take out sell side liquidity, and then like this range is way too far for my liking, and this is the weekly volume imbalance that we have been talking about for since the beginning of the series, and I was really excited to see us trade it up into that. So here we have a swing high made, we displaced with the fair value gap. This would have been a nice entry. I believe this was silver bullet. Just because if you took a trade like an entry here, your stop loss would be 5 handles below, which is 63, so 58. 58. Oh, so never mind, you get stopped out. So maybe this one was silver bullet, this fair value gap here. It's difficult because you don't know. Some people might think this is a market structure shift and you're gonna want to short here, but you need to keep the narrative in mind that it's just taking out those who are going long. So to me, this was just a continuation of a Judah swing, kind of with the sell side like motive, if that makes sense. And then here you have a continuation of bullish market structure. I mean, if you put your stop here, you would have been safe. But yeah, so like I said, my friend, he took this trade, really nice trade. He did call it out. I mean, that was the bias, but he ended up taking this trade with a perfect fair value gap fill, and he targeted all the way up until the volume imbalance, but he took partials along the way and he partialed out somewhere up in here, I'm assuming, but really nice trade overall. Now we're kind of consolidating, or not consolidating, we're just like accumulating more and distributing slowly but surely. I'm kind of looking for a miniature reversal here. It's just just this SMT NAS showing a little bit of weakness, so potential reversal inside of a volume imbalance that might take us back into like a retracement or something of that sort. So like, I mean, we'll just use this like right here, like this area, targeting this, which is fine. And just for like the bias for next week, it's really all up in the air. It's kind of tough, just because we don't have enough data. We don't know if it's going to react negatively or to the downside off of this volume balance, trying to make up for this area here inside new week opening gap, or if we're going to go for the buy side here. So calling the 4300 level. I got analysis from like another trader, and he's thinking, 4400 is definitely a possibility, depending on like if we're targeting like this volume balance and things like that. Um, so yeah, just a lot of things to keep in mind of. But the Webull account, the options account, currently up 20% on the day, so it's a really nice trade. I am risking a little bit more than usual, but I think for now I'll just keep it at percentages when I update you guys, just so um, you know the profits don't like get in the way of any progression. But starting next video, I'll put like a text box, maybe like right here, with like the percentage gain on options for the day. Yeah, something like that. Oops, percentage. Yeah, so I'm just gonna type that for a reminder. But yeah, really short video. That was the trade that we took today, and it was really nice. But yeah, that's gonna be it for this one. My live stream over the weekend, not sure. I'm going to have to check, but other than that, looking forward to next week's trading and seeing what the market wants to do.